Unbelievably, the modern Honda City debuted in the world roughly 3 years ago. Honda's product cycles would indicate that a minor update is overdue for this, not very, subcompact sedan. The Japanese manufacturer has therefore done just that for 2023. Now is not the time to expect a significant change in the architecture of the 2023 City. After all, this is only a small model modification. Changes to the exterior only affect the bumpers, grille, wheel styles, and available colors. The corners of the front bumpers have been rounded off, and the grille's new pattern adopts a design cue from the all-new Civic. The thinner chrome accent piece only gives the new grille the appearance of being larger, though. The bumper at the back gains a diffuser and sharper corners. The inside has a similar appearance to the earlier version as the exterior does. Higher spec versions, however, receive a redesigned instrument cluster. It makes use of the partially digital Civic V display to give the driver more information. The same cluster is given to lower spec models as before. The tan inside is probably exclusive to the South African and Indian markets. The car's design wasn't really changed by Honda, but it did receive a significant upgrade in terms of amenities and technology. Higher trim levels, for instance, add wireless charging, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a new reverse camera, and even rain-sensing wipers. They also added the intelligent lane watch system. But the addition of Honda Sensing is the most important change here. Yep, even City now comes standard with the brand's active safety package, at least for the top models. Therefore, it receives adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation warning, lane keep assist, and LED car departure warning. In terms of the powertrain, the City remains unaltered. It continues to use the well-known 1.5-liter IVTEC engine, producing 119 horsepower and 145 pound-feet of torque. A hybrid option is also available. It has a total system output of 253 Nm of torque and 124 horsepower. The non-hybrid variants still have the same 6-speed manual or CVT transmission choices. It's interesting to note that the petrol models continue to use drum brakes while the hybrid version has disc brakes at the back. How we wish the rear disc upgrade was also available for the non-hybrid model. The local launch of the new City is still unknown. Yet, given that it is still a well-liked option in the country, you can guarantee that Honda Cars Philippines is working extra hard to get it here as soon as possible.